today I have the power to kind of sit for an hour and ideate a solution that will go and create impact to a population. So for me, that is extremely powerful. If I sit and put my head for a while, that I can sit with certain industry leaders or advisors or various luminaries that are working on medicine itself, right? We can go and say, this is what we can make happen for you.
How have your role evolved till date as a vertical head at Birlasoft? Since your first inception with healthcare industry was back in 1999 at Merck.
Hmm, hmm.
So how has your role evolved?
Okay. um, well, I think at Birlasoft, it is the unit leadership and accountability for delivery and execution of whatever we ideate and envisage together with the customer, right? So I'm accountable for delivery and all of that solutioning that gets implemented at the customer. So it's a role of import and responsibility, and at the same time, it is a whole lot of fun as well, right? It's a personal passion for me ever since my first foray into life sciences with Merck, right? That was when I learned about George Merck and the whole be well kind of mission statement that Merck lives by. So the year I joined Merck, there were 9 blockbuster drugs that were launched in that single year. It is a golden period, like literally towards osteoporosis or towards asthma, towards cancer, right? Many blockbuster drugs, pain medicine. So then I started to find this of great interest, and I saw the power of IT solutions that can really enable rapid strides in how people feel better, how you can address a world sans disease, right? So I started to focus on understanding the whole drug discovery process, and what can come to play in clinical trials, how one can accelerate various solutions across the life cycle value chain of drug discovery, the R&D aspect, the manufacturing, post marketing, sales and surveillance. And what does pharmacovigilance mean? What do adverse reactions create in humans in different parts of the world based on their ethnicity and blood types and things like that? So it's a very fascinating area, right? So today I have the power to kind of sit for an hour and ideate a solution that will go and create impact to a population. So for me, that is extremely powerful. If I sit and put my head for a while, that I can sit with certain industry leaders or advisors or various luminaries that are working on medicine itself, right? We can go and say, this is what we can make happen for you, and together, that is a huge impact that you can give. And for me, altruism is a big thing. Giving well is a personal goal that I have. So using this platform, that is what I create every day in and day out. It's useful for me, and I hope it is useful for many in the future.
Indeed, indeed, it has been an incredible journey so far.
It has
So
been actually. I at one point wanted to write about the way solutions are perceived in the West and the way solutions are perceived in India. It's somewhat like the Friedman book, the Tom Friedman book, World is Flat, kind of a graph of how outsourcing began, what delivery looked like about 3 decades ago, what does it look like today, right? And what are the different ways in which one can kind of tie that together. But never had the bandwidth to write that big book. But yeah, it is definitely undergone a vast change, the entire industry. But at its core, I think every leader today believes that they can bring about change, be that regard it's industry agnostic, be that banking, be that consumer or healthcare, any of the industries. I think if you are in a role of import, that leader cares about the solutions they are making.